Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, 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 oh. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, 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 oh. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello good people, this is Style with Julie. Welcome back. Please consider to subscribe, to share and comment. Please, let's learn together. Today I'm going to install the Godess Locs. The color I'm going to put them below there. And so I made my hair off camera, and not me, kuna mtu alinishuka hizo, that's why they're so neat and well done. So, and that is the hair. I loved the color, the way it's combined, and I've never tried such a color, so ningetaka kuona vile inatokea. So there I go. I have a crochet with me. I have some band. Oh, something from Brenda's Kitchen. By the way, please subscribe to her channel. She has good recipes, and some techie earphones, and listening good jams from the Uplift Music's YouTube. So there we go. I'm unwrapping my Godess hair, my lovely hair. Yeah, so what you do, you first work with portions. When you're doing your hair, you must work with portions. There we go. And I've left some 1 hour behind, so that is it. I'm using my hairband. So the Godess has two parts, the part ya chini na ya juu. So I'm going to use the crochet. That is it. I hook it downwards. There we go. Downward. It's not painful, by the way. It does not hurt, but when you do your hair so tight, it will hurt. Then I hook it and pull it. There we go. I again use the loop to take my hair, and I loop it there. So what I'm going na unwrap, niki twist round my natural hair. I unwrap, I twist it round, or I wrap it round. Unwrap, and then I do what? I wrap it. So when you finish, you roll it. That is it. That's how I'm doing it all through. I'll be doing the same procedure, and again nika decide kuzi install first, and then nita wrap baadaye. Reason I can wrap them at my own time, my own pace, maybe while watching, when I'm relaxed without pressure. So I'm installing them. Remember, you put the crochet inside, and then you hook your Godess lock, or whichever locks you're using. There's so many in the market. Then you pull it, you open the crochet, you loop your hair and the Godess together. That is it. Then you divide them, like you pull the hair and the Godess to fasten it. And that is what I'm going to do all through until I finish, until to the last braid, my natural royal braid. So that's what I'm doing again. Pull it through. There we go. I guess I'm on the last one. No, not really. Open the loop. It has a loop. And then hook it. You hook it. You open the crochet. Pull it through your hair. Then loop together and pull your hair and the fox locks differently to fasten. The reason is to fasten. Sasa ndio hizo nimemaliza kuinstall. Sasa nataka kufinish, kumalizia. I'm doing the finishing. It's good when you do it in portions. So the reason nasema it's good kuzimaliza, you see the way zinanisumbua, like unapata naenda kurap, the loose hair ina come on my way. So it's better uzi finish, una install ukifinish kurap. So I unwrap, I wrap it again on my hair. That's so easy, as you can see by the way, but it will take time. It takes a lot of time. There are different methods of doing that. Others others pull through the hair in the lock inside, but I decided to use this method. I find it easy for me. So it depends with you. That's how I'm doing it. And I rocked with this hair for a month. And you can also maybe reuse. You can reuse, by the way. Lakini mimi siku reuse. Then after you finish wrapping it, at the end, for you to secure the edge of your hair, you twist, you roll as maybe like you're doing the locks. You roll to secure your hair, the edge of your hair inside the Godess lock. Was just enjoying the music. Remember, I told you I was enjoying the Uplift music. Now that's me glammed up, makeup. I guess I loved the color. It blended with my color too, maybe, if I may say. But okay, now I'm styling. You can have so many styles, but this hair is so cool, such that it's not heavy. Unaweza style different styles. That is one of them. I'm doing just very fast, so I've not put all my energy and all everything, but you can never do it that loose, itaanguka, so you take your time. Wow, I love them. So there we go, another style. You can have the we used to say the pussycat. I don't know if they still call it so. There we go. You can rock in so many different styles. Nice. It's not sikuifanya clearly, as you can see from the back, because I was just playing along with it, and I decided, I can show you guys. Wrap around. That is it. Maybe pull 2 of them. Nice. No, enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. We are learning together, guys. We are learning. I'm also not a professional. I'll be happy to maybe get ideas from you. Maybe I can do it in a different way. Yeah, enjoy.